Hi friends, today we will study past perfect tense. The structure of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus V3 form of the verb plus object or complement or adverbial. Another name of V3 form of the verb is past participle. For example, go is a verb. Its V3 form is gone. Go, went, gone. Go is the base form or V1 form or present form. Then went, it is the V2 form or past form, and gone, it is the V3 form or past participle. First of all we'll study affirmative sentences. See, whatever may be the subject, after every subject in past perfect tense you will make use of had. I had eaten a mango. So here eaten, it is the V3 form of eat. Eat, ate, eaten. We had completed our homework. We had completed our homework. In this sentence, completed, it is the V3 form of complete. Complete, completed, completed. You had spent a lot of money. You had spent a lot of money. Here spent, it is the V3 form of spend. Spend, spent, spent. We will study a few more sentences. He had written an essay. He had written an essay. In this sentence, written, it is the V3 form of write. Write, wrote, written. She had told a story. She had told a story. In this sentence, told, it is the past participle form of tell. Tell, told, told. V3 form of past participle. We will now take a sentence with a singular noun. Vishal had read a novel. Vishal had read a novel. In this sentence, read, it is the V3 form of read. Read, read, read. Spelling of all these words is same. R-E-A-D, it is present form. You have to pronounce it as read. Its past form is R-E-A-D. Its pronunciation is read. And its past participle is, spelling is same, R-E-A-D, but its pronunciation is read. Read, read, read. Spelling same, pronunciation is different. Vishal had read a novel. Now we will take plural nouns. Boys had found boys had found keys. Boys had found keys. So here found, find, found, found. So we have studied affirmative sentences of past perfect tense. Whatever may be the subject, you have to make use of had plus V3 form of the verb, that is past participle form of the verb. Now we will study negative sentences. Now we will speak about negative sentences. In negative sentences, you have just to add not after had not. Okay. I had not. I had not cut the apple. I had not cut the apple. So here had not, it is negative sentence. We had not gone to Mumbai. We had not gone to Mumbai. You are adding not after had. You had not lent me a pencil. You had not lent me a pencil. So here not and lent, it is the V3 form of lend, lent. He had not spoken in Hindi. He had not spoken in Hindi. So in this sentence, not is used to form negative sentence, and spoken, it is the past participle form of speak, spoke, spoken. He had not spoken in Hindi. Our teacher had not taught us grammar. Our teacher had not taught us grammar. Here not to prepare negative sentence, and taught, it is the V3 form of teach, taught. So we have taken so many examples of negative sentences. Now we will prepare questions, yes no type questions or verbal questions. We will take questions now. When you prepare yes no type questions or verbal questions of past perfect tense, you will make use of had at the beginning of the sentence. Had I worked hard? Had I worked hard? So here had at the beginning of the sentence, and there will be question mark at the end of the sentence. Had I worked hard? had we told a story? Had we told a story? So here had at the beginning of the sentence, and told, it is the V3 form of tell. Tell, told, told. Had you washed the clothes? Had you washed the clothes? So washed, it is the V3 form of wash. Wash, washed, washed. Had he eaten dosa? Had he eaten dosa? So eaten, it is the past participle form of eat. Eat, ate, eaten. V3 form or past participle form. Had she learnt English grammar? Had she learnt English grammar? So here learnt, it is the past participle form of learn. Learn, learnt, learnt. So we have taken so many examples. We will take a few more examples. Had they played cricket? So these are some of the examples of questions of past perfect tense. Had Yashraj chosen a nice dress? So look at this sentence. Had Yashraj chosen a nice dress? So in this sentence we made use of singular noun, and chosen, it is the V3 form of choose. Choose, chose, chosen. So today we studied past perfect tense, affirmative sentences, then negative sentences and questions. See, what is the main use of past perfect tense? When we speak about two actions in the past, the action which happens first, for that we make use of past perfect tense, and the action which happens later, for that we make use of simple past tense. When I reached the station, the train had already left. When I reached the station, the train had already left. So here in this sentence there are two clauses, two actions are there. You reached the station and the train left. So the train had already left. This action, it happened first, and afterwards you went to the station, you reached the station. That means you did not get the train. So this action happened first and this action happened latter. When two actions happens in the past, the action which happens first, for that you have to make use of past perfect tense, and for the action which happens next, for that you have to make use of simple past tense. When I woke up, the sun had risen. Look at this sentence carefully. In this sentence there are two clauses. When I woke up, this is one clause. The sun had risen, it is another clause. So there happened two actions. The sun had risen, it is first action, and the second action is I woke up. So for the action which happened first, you are making use of past perfect tense, and for the action which is happening later, you are making use of past, simple past. So today we studied past perfect tense, affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and questions. As far as affirmative sentences are concerned, the structure is subject plus had plus past participle or V3 form of the verb plus object or complement or adverbial. When we are framing negative sentences, we are adding not after had, and when we are framing questions, we are taking had at the beginning of the sentence. So I think you have well understood past perfect tense. Try to prepare similar sentences on your own, and I request all of you to subscribe to my channel English Grammar by Sachin Deshmukh, and share this channel with your friends. Thank you very much for watching the video.